Hi, I am Roxana from WPEstate, and in this video I will show how to manage taxonomies translations in the WPResidence theme using the WPEstate Translate plugin. In this video I will show how to translate taxonomies in the WPResidence theme using the WPEstate Translate plugin. Taxonomies are the groups used across your real estate website, such as property categories, actions like for sale, for rent, city, areas, counties, and features. When your website has multiple languages, these terms also need to exist in each language so visitors see the correct categories, filters, category pages, and property details in their selected language. With WPEstate Translate, you can decide which taxonomies should be translated, automatically create missing language versions, and keep terms linked across language. Before we configure anything, it is important to understand the two available modes. The taxonomy translation can be managed from the WPEstate Translate taxonomy translation. A taxonomy can be set as translatable. This means each language has its own version of the term. For example, for sale in English can have a linked translation version in French, Spanish, or any other active language. When a taxonomy is translatable, the front end shows the correct term based on the visitor's current language. The second option is not translatable. This means the same terms are shared across all languages. This can be used for internal taxonomies that visitors do not need to see translated or that have the same word in all languages. To configure taxonomy translation, choose whether it should be translatable or not translatable. For public-facing taxonomies like property categories, actions, location, you should select them to be translatable. Next, you can enable the automatically duplicate missing translation. When this option is active, the plugin creates a linked version of a new term for your other active languages. This is very useful when you are building a multi-language real estate website with many locations or many property features. For example, if you create a new city in the default language, WPEstate Translate can automatically create the linked version for the other language. Once you finished the setup, you need to click Save Changes. Now, let's translate an existing taxonomy term. You need to go to the taxonomies list. You'll find it under Properties, Agents, and More categories. For the property taxonomies, you'll have property categories, types, city, area, county, state, features, and status. To translate the taxonomies, you need to select the category that you want. Once the taxonomy is marked as translatable, the taxonomy screen includes language filter at the top. You can filter terms by language or view all languages. And the steps are: press the Add Spanish for the language that you need, add the name of the category in your language, remove the slug, and update. When you go back to the list of categories, you will see the English category and the Spanish one. If your taxonomy uses parent and child terms, the WPEstate Translate also keeps the hierarchy aligned. For example, the theme includes a connection between county, city, and area. I will show an example for city. For this city, you'll have a county assigned, and when you add a translation, I change the name and remove the slug. When you update, for Spanish, you will see the translated city with the county already selected. When you update the parent relationship in one language, the plugin keeps the translated version connected to the correct translated parent term. This means that you do not need to manually rebuild the full location for every language. These are the steps for the manual taxonomy translation, but the taxonomies will be automatically translated when you translate property. I will show an example. I will go to properties. For example, this property has for sale as action and residential for category. When you translate the property using automatic translations, using this section here for automatic translation, the property categories will be automatically translated. The translation is done. I will publish the property. If you check the property in front end, you will see that the property categories have been translated automatically. That's how you translate taxonomies in WPResidence using the WPEstate Translate plugin. With this setup, your property categories, types, locations, and features can appear correctly across languages while the plugin keeps translations linked and organized. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.